Short story time! I have lived in Kiel for many years, and these are seagulls from Kiel. I love watching them. I have seen them being naughty, playful, and incredibly patient. What for? Waiting for the perfect moment to steal food straight from your hand. But there is another side of them that I truly admire. They enjoy every kind of weather, the windy winters of Kiel and the warm, sunny summer's day as well. No matter what, they simply live in the moment. And honestly, I love them for that. Ta da!